The 2012 Toyota Camry SE. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, this front-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Toyota features rear spoiler, front and rear side airbags, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, leather seats, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Glendora Dodge Chrysler Jeep, a Carfax Advantage dealer.